Hello everyone, welcome to another Fantasy Grounds Unity video. In this video, I want to talk about restoring a campaign to a certain point. So what I mean by this is if you have some type of power surge, if you have one of those amazing Windows updates in the middle of your game that just shuts your PC down and restarts it, you could have data loss. And I can't tell you how many times I have had people send me messages on Discord, how many times I've seen in our Fantasy Grounds support channel that folks have lost campaign data. And a lot of folks think that we have everything stored on our end here at Fantasy Grounds, but that is just not the case. All of your campaign data is stored on your end as the host or the GM or the DM. So we do have basically a way of restoring your campaign to a previous point. So whenever you start up the Fantasy Grounds Unity program, in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see a folder icon. Now click on this folder icon. It is your app data folder, and this is where everything for Fantasy Grounds is stored, and you want to restore a campaign. So you want to find your campaigns folder here and go inside of your campaign folder. Now, this is where you're going to have every one of these folders is one of my campaigns that I have. I have a lot of master campaigns where I create modules and then I can save them that way. Here is a Starfinder beginner box that I've been working on. So we'll just say that I had some data loss here. We'll say that I had a power surge and I lost everything that I was working on. So chances are I'll probably possibly have that data missing, but we can restore it to a previous point. So what you want to do is you want to go inside of your whatever folder you want to restore back to a previous saving point. Now, whenever you open up this next window, whenever you go into whatever campaign folder you want to open, you want to turn up here at the very top. And I am on PC, by the way. You want to click on the View tab up here. And there is a little checkbox right here called File Name Extensions. And when you turn this on and off, you'll see that the file, this is a db session, db.session.2021-10-709. Now, when I have this box checked, you'll be able to see that it is a .xml file. And that, the .xml files, the db.session XML files, those are your save files. So every time you start up Fantasy Grounds Unity, it is going to create one of these db.session.abunchofnumbers.xml. So the numbers is the date. So the last one that I have, as you can see, it's from 2021, and it is the 8th month and 13th day. So, I mean, it's super easy to read. It's August 13th, 2021. That is the last time I logged into this Starfinder beginner box. And we'll say that I need to restore my data to that last point because there's nothing in my campaign and I'm freaking out and I need all of my data back. So this is the beautiful thing about Fantasy Grounds Unity is you can restore back to that date or any of the other previous dates for that matter. You can see that I have sessions going back August 6th, August 5th, July 30th, July 16th, and July 9th. But I want to restore August 13th. So what I want to do is a couple of things. Now, I want to take this db.xml file and I want to put this on my desktop. I just want to put this and get rid of it for now. Don't delete it. Just put it on your desktop so you have that on the side. I also want to go ahead and make a copy of this August 13th, 2021 DB session. And I want to make a copy just in case something happens And, you know, heaven forbid I have a power surge in the middle of doing this, and then I lose that file too. So real quick, I just want to right click on it. I want to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it on my desktop. So I have that kind of saved to the side as well. Now, remember I took the db.xml file and put it on my desktop. I want to take this db.session 2021 August 13th file, and I want to rename it. And I want to rename this file just to db.xml. So db.xml. And now this is going to restore your campaign to August 13th, 2021. So now that I've restored my campaign, now I can take this, now that I'm done, I can go ahead and drag this August 13th file back in here. So I will still have a copy of this because remember, I changed the original one to the db.xml. So we are good to go. I have now basically restored my campaign. So what I want to do is I want to shut out my campaign folder, your data folder, and you want to shut down Fantasy Grounds Unity all the way to desktop. So just close the program out, and then all you have to do is start it back up, and then start your campaign that you just restored the data to. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So there you go. I hope you took something from this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to back up your data as well. I can't stress that enough. So thank you for watching this video. And if you like the video, please do me a huge favor. Give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also click that notification button. You'll get notified every time that I upload a video. So until next time, happy gaming and keep using the awesome Fantasy Grounds virtual tabletop program.